Hello everyone, I am getting ready to start with the 6-pan palette I received from one of my sisters. Thank you sis very much. I am so happy to get this. I think I am going to do another fall look. Let's see what we achieve. Already have bronzer on. I have no base on, but I have bronzer on. So we're just gonna work with this and see what we can achieve with this palette. The palette is really nice. The colors are pretty. And we are going to create a fall look. I always said I hope to the universe that I will get to achieve a fall look. Because sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends where my brain goes. So keep your fingers crossed. Let's see. Well, this palette, I have to be able to create. When you look at this palette, I have to be able to create a fall look because the colors alone in there screams fall. So I think I'll get it this time. I'll get it this time. I'll get it this time. I've been creating and enjoying these little palettes from my sis. I appreciate it very much. I appreciate you above all very much. If you haven't done anything today to make yourself feel happy, I want to tell you, you are beautiful in your own skin. You are blessed to be here. Keep rising, don't give up. Stay empowered and things will look up. Do something today that will bring you joy and happiness. Anything that will bring you joy and happiness, do it. Okay, we have one color done. What other color do I want to play with? They have a shimmer, they have another one. Do I want to play with much? I always don't know. This is really nice, but we'll see. Let's see. These mats are very, very pigmented, and I don't have a base on, and see how nice it's looking. I don't know if this company is still around. This is just so pretty. I'm saying on my lids, but I think I might go somewhere else with this thing. It never stays where I say I'm doing it. This is just so pretty. I'm gonna put it in the brow bone right here. This is a very pretty color. Did I show you which one? I'm using this one right here. It's like a mustard yellow. Now you can see it better. Yeah, that's it. So I'm putting it in my brow bone. I already have most of my makeup on, so I don't have a lot to do. But I just want to stay encouraged. Today I have some motivational cards, and I didn't pull one today, but I pulled one yesterday, and it says, every breath I take, or every breath I breathe, I get healthier and healthier. Every breath I breathe, I get healthier and healthier. Every breath I breathe, I get healthier and healthier. It is so interesting, you know, when you can motivate yourself and get others to motivate you. That card is, the card deck I'm talking about is by Louis Hay. Okay, we're looking like this so far. Do you like my brows? They're so cute. Because I have no base, my nice little color is fading, so I'm going to use some of my white pencil and I'm going to put it on that spot so I can get my color to pop. I want that color to show, and that is because I did not put a base. So now I'm putting the base. Now let's go back into this color and see what we can get. I'm just dabbing the color on the white base that I put so it can pop. See the difference? The white base makes the color pop. Now, yeah. I also want to add a little color right here to the inner tear duct. So my white pencil again, and I'm going to take the other side of this brush and I just swipe on it. I think I have the wrong brush, but we'll make it work. And I'm going right here and right here. Remember, both eyes are different, so you just have to gauge and try to make it work, okay? Both eyes are different size. So now I have a little bit of the white right there. I'm taking this little pencil brush. Can you see the size? It's a pencil brush. And I'm going to go into this color right here. And I'm going to put it in my tear duct. I tell you, I try to do fall every time, and I try very hard to do fall. I'm always trying to do fall. This is the finished look. This is the look I chose today. Hopefully this is fall. I'm trying to go for a fall look, and I am telling you, hopefully I am getting closer and closer to the fall looks because fall is really a nice season. It's beautiful, it's cool, it's nice, the colors are inviting. Trying to get them on my eyes. I'm getting there. Take a look at today's look. I used this palette that was given to me by my sister. Very cute. This is it. I don't know if the people are still in business, but the colors are gorgeous. I could not have not done a fall. This is all fall. So hey you all, this is my fall palette here. Number one fall palette. That's the first one. So first fall palette. I hope you did something nice for yourself today. I hope you did something that brought you some joy. Keep rising. Never give up on self. You are important. You are beautiful. You are encouraging to yourself and others. Keep rising. This is for y'all. Remember to subscribe and also share this video. I will see you in the next video. I actually did a fall look. Here we go, another fall look. Thank you.